Chia seeds enter the mouth and move down to the stomach. In the stomach, they absorb liquid and form a gel. This gel slows digestion and promotes fullness. In the intestines, nutrients begin to release. Omega-3 and minerals enter the bloodstream. Fiber supports healthy digestion and gut bacteria. Nutrients travel to the brain and muscles. The brain benefits from improved neural activity. Muscles receive steady energy support. The heart and bones gain essential minerals. Energy spreads smoothly through the body. Too much may cause bloating or mild discomfort.